Welcome to the An English Coffee Office. Today is Wednesday, November 19, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Hi, Alex. Good morning. How are you today?
Hi, David. Good morning. I am fine, thanks. And you?
I am good, but I feel a bit tired. It has been a busy week so far.
Yes, I know. So many meetings for me, too. I need this coffee.
Want some? The machine is working well today.
Yes, please. Just black, no sugar.
Here you go. Hot and strong. Perfect for the morning.
Thanks. It smells good. Did you catch any news last night?
Yeah, I did. There is always something going on.
True. What caught your eye?
First, this thing about tariffs. I read it in the Wall Street Journal.
Oh, the rollback on Chinese goods? I saw that too.
Exactly. They are cutting tariffs on a lot of imports from China.
Yes, about 25% off on $300 billion worth of stuff.
Right? Things like electronics and clothes. It is a big change.
It is. The president says it helps the economy right now.
For sure. As a sales rep, I think it is great prices go down.
Clients will like that. They can buy more without extra costs.
Yes, our deals might get easier, but some people are not happy.
Who, why?
U.S. factories. They say it hurts local jobs. It is controversial.
I see. Domestic makers want protection. That makes sense.
Yeah, but stocks went up 2% after the news. Good for business.
Investors are happy, but workers worry about the future.
True. In sales, we focus on the now lower tariffs mean more sales.
In projects, we plan ahead. This could change supply chains.
Oh, good point. We might see new suppliers soon.
Exactly. It shakes things up in the office, too.
For sure. Anyway, enough on that. What about tech news?
I have not checked much. Tell me if there is something big.
There is a huge data leak from a tech company, from CNN.
A data leak? That sounds bad.
It is. They leaked info from 50 million users.
50 million? Wow. What kind of info?
Private stuff, like emails, locations, and passwords.
Oh no, that is a privacy nightmare.
Yeah. Now everyone talks about new rules for tech firms.
We need that. In our work, we handle client data every day.
Right. Trust is key. If a leak happens, clients run away.
True. Projects could stop if data is not safe.
Imagine here. Our computers have important files.
We must be careful. I always use strong passwords.
Me too. I change them every month, just in case.
Good habit. This leak makes people scared to use apps.
It does. Sales might drop if customers lose trust.
Yes. Tech teams will work harder on security now.
For sure. It is a wake-up call for all offices.
Agreed. Scary how fast it happened.
Yeah. Now let us talk about something lighter, or is it?
What do you mean?
This statue news from the Boston Globe.
The controversial one? In D.C.?
Yes, a statue of Trump and Epstein. People are upset.
I heard. Why did they put it up?
No idea. It shows their old connection, bad timing.
It brings back the Epstein scandal. Society does not forget.
Right. Protests want it removed right away.
Makes sense. It hurts reputations in politics.
Yeah. As sales guys, we know image matters a lot.
True. In business, ethics come first.
Exactly. This makes everyone talk about accountability.
It does. Culture is changing. People demand more.
For sure. In the office, we keep things clean.
Yes. No scandals here, just good work.
True. But it is fun to chat about.
A bit. Now, back to tariffs. How does it affect your team?
My sales team loves it. Cheaper products mean bigger orders.
Good. My projects might need updates on costs.
We can share notes later. Help each other.
Sure, teamwork makes it easier.
Yeah. On the data leak, do you think our company is safe?
I hope so. We have IT checks.
Me too. But I will double check my files today.
Smart. Prevention is better.
Right? And the statue? Do you think it stays?
Probably not. Too much anger.
Yeah, public pressure wins.
It shows society values justice.
True. Deep stuff for morning coffee.
Yes. But it starts the day thinking.
For sure. I like our chats. Keeps me awake.
Me too. Better than just coffee.
Want a refill? It is still early.
No thanks. I am good now.
Okay, time to head to my desk soon.
Yes. Meetings wait for no one.
See you later. Have a productive day.
You too. Bye for now.
Bye.
Time to get to work? Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.